Welcome to Techmastery Guru, where we decode technology, careers, and strategy to help you stand out. In this video, we will have overview of EV charging connectors and will guide you through the global standards for electric vehicle charging connectors. The EV charging landscape features various connector types, influenced by region, charging speed, and vehicle manufacturer. Key standards include IEC for global definitions, SAE primarily for North America, and GB/T, which is the national standard for China. Let's explore the main connector types. We have AC connectors like Type 1 and Type 2, DC connectors such as CHAdeMO, GB/T, and NACS, and combined AC-DC connectors including CCS Combo 1, CCS Combo 2, and NACS. Type 1, also known as SAE J1772, is primarily used in North America and Japan for Level 1 and Level 2 AC charging with power up to 19.2 kilowatts. It features a 5-pin design with dedicated pins for power, ground, and communication. Type 2, or Menakes, is the standard in Europe, India, and Australia. It supports Level 2 AC charging, both single and 3-phase, up to 22 kilowatts. This connector utilizes a 7-pin layout for power, neutral, ground, and communication. CCS Combo 1 is prevalent in North America and South Korea. It integrates the Type 1 connector for AC charging with 2 additional pins for Level 3 DC fast charging, offering power up to 350 plus kW, and using ISO 15118 for communication. CCS Combo 2 is the standard across Europe, India, and other regions. It combines the Type 2 Menakes connector for AC charging with 2 DC pins for Level 3 fast charging, also supporting over 350 kilowatts, and ISO 15118 communication. CHAdeMO is dominant in Japan and supports Level 3 DC fast charging up to 400 kilowatts. It's unique for its bidirectional charging capabilities. While its presence is declining in other regions, it remains a significant standard. The GBT standard, or Guobiao, is China's national standard. It uses separate AC and DC plugs. The DC version is a 9-pin connector for Level 3 DC fast charging, delivering up to 250 kilowatts or more. The North American Charging Standard, or NACS, was initially Tesla's proprietary connector and is now standardized as SAE J3400. It's a compact 5-pin plug handling Level 1, Level 2 AC, and Level 3 DC charging with theoretical power up to 1 megawatt. Type 6, also known as LEVDC, is designed for light electric vehicles in India and other Asian markets. This low-voltage DC fast charging connector features 7 pins, supporting up to 120 volts DC for e-scooters and e-rickshaws. Thank you for watching. Follow Techmastery Guru for more videos and updates on EV charging technologies and beyond.